In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in Outlook. We'll walk through both New Outlook and Outlook on the web, and then the classic Outlook desktop app, so you can follow along with whichever version you use. By the end, your messages will automatically include a clean, consistent signature. Let's start with New Outlook or Outlook on the web. Open Outlook, then go to Settings. If you don't see the option you need right away, choose View All Outlook Settings. From there, depending on your version, go to Account and then Signature, or go to Mail and select Compose and Reply. In the email signature section, use the editor to build your signature. Type the text you want, and format it with fonts, colors, and spacing to keep it readable. You can add links, such as your website or social profiles, and insert an image like a small logo if you prefer. Keep images optimized so they load quickly, and avoid overly large graphics. Next, decide when Outlook should add this signature for you. Use the checkboxes to apply it to new messages, to replies and forwards, or both. If you'd rather only add it occasionally, leave those unchecked and insert it manually when needed. When you're happy with the look and the defaults, click Save. It's a good idea to compose a quick test message to see exactly how it appears for recipients. Now, let's set this up in the classic Outlook desktop app. Begin by opening a new email so you can access the correct ribbon. On the ribbon, go to the Insert tab, click Signature, and then choose Signatures. If you use multiple accounts, select the email account you want to customize. Click New, give your signature a name you'll recognize later, and click OK. In the Edit Signature box, type your content and format it just like a normal email. Use the toolbar icons to add images or create hyperlinks. Aim for a simple, professional layout that stays legible on mobile devices. Under Choose Default Signature, pick the signature you just created for new messages and for replies forwards if you want it to appear automatically. If you prefer to add it manually in certain situations, select None for those defaults and insert it only when needed. When everything looks right, click OK to save. That's it, your Outlook signature is ready to go. Thanks for watching.